In today's video, I'm going to show you Dark Country. It is an upcoming blockchain game this 2022, which is also inside the Wax blockchain. And if you see my previous videos about Dark Country, I only just made a video about how you can make passive income from its NFTs when you stake it into our planet. But this time we will talk about its game, okay? What can we expect from this type of game? What are the things that we need to know? How it is pretty much different from every card games out there. So please, before we start this video, do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. Please help me reach that 15,000 subscribers. It will really help me a lot as well for me to be able to reach with more people that are pretty much interested on starting their journey here via play to earn or cryptocurrency or something. So let's just jump right into it. So Dark Country is an American gothic card game where assets owned by gamers. Since this one is a play to earn, so every single thing, every single NFT that you've bought inside this game has a corresponding asset value that wherein if you sell this one in the future, let's say you are done with this game, you can probably sell it into cash, okay, into cryptocurrency, which of course you can just swap it into cash. So that's how easy it is. And right now, okay, they are into the alpha phase of the game, so you can download the game right away here. So just open the new tab right here, and you can play Dark Country whether you are using Windows operating system or Mac OS operating system. So the size is only 300 MB, so feel free to download this one, okay? So for the live gameplay, I'm going to make a separate video about this game so that it will be easier for us to be able to see. And I actually want to talk about every single information that we just need to know, okay? For the gameplay, we will tackle it into the separate video. So going back into this section right here, so there are more than 1 M USD secondary market volume, and they do have 20k USD tournament prize pool, which more than 50,000 PvP rounds played already. So if you want to learn more about Dark Country NFT TCG, so this is card game, okay, TCG. So this is a trading card game, I think, because it is TCG. So let's play this video. So into this part right here, you can see that it has a different theme on this card game, okay? And of course it is gothic. So if you're going to play this game, it is pretty much a different, okay? It has a different atmosphere. It has a different kind of a vibe when you're playing this game. So let's just deep dive into the Dark Country gameplay. So the assets in Dark Country are cards, the heroes that you're using, the items that you got. So this is more like the packs, and what do you call this, an elixir wherein you can get pretty much a lot more rarer cards, and the lands for the Dark Country. So into the lands, okay, I'm going to explain it to you right one by one. So lands, okay, when you buy some lands in Dark Country, you can earn a passive income on it. So I think for every people that are going to play into that land, you will get a share of profit onto that part right here. So for the battle, okay, you can take part in tournaments, PvP, and even PvE battles with classic card trading battle mechanics or hero powered boards. So you can also build, okay, so into the explanation here, it is also about developing your hometown in order to unlock more features such as card crafting, join guild, go to adventure, and more. So you can also explore into Dark Country universe wherein you can send your hero with deck into an adventure to conquer monsters and win solid prizes. thus it can be done alone or in groups. So you can see that there are some kind of like a community here, because you can do it in groups or you can do it alone. However, I'm not really sure if they are just pertaining into alone like a hero, or they are just pertaining into alone as like a user. Okay, so that's pretty much different. So it is also play to earn. The grab a share of in-game currencies from Dark Portal and Adventures. You can also receive fees from various in-game activities. You can also rent land to someone and get income, which you can also enable card borrowing, and you can farm NFTs and more. So for the roadmap, they do have a roadmap right here. So they have been here since last year. Okay, so it is on the pre-sale launch. Okay, the initial marketing campaign has been um, launched as well. And right now we are into the part right here, into the DC lands introduction and sale and major game updates. In my case, I'm going to buy one land as well for me to try this game, and I think it has also no potential on this part right here. And take note that I do have a lot of NFT cards as well into this game that are staked into our planet. So that cards that I'm going to use into the game, okay, I already got my ROI before the game started. So um, there's a DC roguelike campaigns launch, and the full Dark Country game release will be take place in the first quarter of 2022, which of course currently around 6 to 9 months from now. So this is the full Dark Country roadmap, and as of now, they are actually following the roadmap, and they're also doing good. So there's also some testimonials right here from Willie Teron, from Joe, from Heiser Hunts, and from Dogtown, and they do have pretty much big partners right here like Blocktoad, Deeper, DAP Radar, Flow, Prospectors, Wax, Simple Assets, Wombat, Review DAP, Atomic Assets, and BGA. So this is pretty much a good lineup of partners right here, which of course can just skyrocket their users when they officially launch their game. So I'm going to show you how you can buy your cards into Dark Country. Okay, so you can buy a secondary card into the Atomic Hub marketplace. So sadly, we can't actually participate anymore onto the part wherein you can buy the packs inside this Dark Country, which of course just selling for a really much cheaper price. So if we go into look at price lowest, there's only monster pack available. Okay, so those starter packs that I've bought before, I think it is not available as of now. So you can buy these packs into the Atomic Hub right now, which around $147 if you want to risk it. Okay, but you are not going to be disappointed into this monster pack right here. It is because you can get a 60% common, 30% for the rare, epic 6%, and legendary 2%. So this one, okay, I pretty much what do you call that? But I pretty much regret not buying a single monster pack, even though I didn't open it. It is because when you're buying this monster pack, I think its price was around $30, $40, and right now these packs are being sold for around 146. So that's insane. Okay, so you're pretty much making times 4 from that pack. Okay, and I'm going to explain as well the lands. Okay, the lands function right here. Oh, I think there's nothing to explain on that one. So these cards that I do have into the Dark Country, okay, what you just need to do here is just go over into our planet staking, and then search for Dark Country, as you can see here. And I do have 300 cards staked here, and just click the more info, and then you will see this part right here. So it is into the stake option. So more cards being put inside the this our planet, Dark Country, then the lesser area per hour that you could probably get. But as of now, I'm pretty much enjoying every single hour of this Dark Country NFTs that I have, and I'm actually around 60%, 70% ROI onto this part right here. So this is really good. Okay, um, I would suggest, okay, not a financial advice, but if you're able, okay, if Dark Country will also launch another monster pack sale or uh, something like a pack that you can probably get even just a cheap price, okay, just get one or two, okay. And for the land sale, you can also get one because lands is pretty much the easiest way for you to earn money. It is because you're not going to do anything on that one. What you just need to do is just buy a land and just let it work for you. Okay? So if the game actually pretty much do well in the future, and let's say you've bought a land for around $200 and each land is being sold for around 1,000 or 2,000, if it really booms by 2022, then probably you're going to make more money from that one just by buying lands and not doing anything. So that is it for this video, guys. Okay, I'm going to create a separate video about the gameplay of Dark Country, but right now let's just stick for the review and everything that you need to know into this video. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. I do have around 10,100 subscribers, so please help me get even 11,000 subscribers right this way. So see you and have a good day.